Hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this video session. In this part 5 Fruit Smasher game, we will learn how to use the game manager static class and how to build our own inventory system where we will be keeping the records of tossed fruits and smashed fruits. So let's head back to Unity and complete this task. In order to keep the inventory, we need to create a new script here. So I'll go to the script folder. We require a new script. The script name will be the game manager. So right click here and create a new script, C# script, and the name of this script is going to be game manager. You have to use the same spelling for game manager. Okay, once you press enter, you will notice one thing here. The icon for this script has been changed. This is because the game manager is basically considered as to manage the entire game, and that's why the icon is replaced with the settings kind of icon over here. Now open this script, double click on this script to make some changes. Well, let me remind you, the purpose of this script is to keep the inventory system where we will be keeping the records of thrown fruits and smashed fruits information. So this class is going to be static. First of all, remove all these using keywords, the imports from here, the library references, delete them, and delete this extend keyword also because it is simply a static class to keep some information. Delete all these available methods inside and make sure that this class is declared as static also. After the public keyword, add this static keyword. Now when you declare a class as static, a memory is going to be allocated and the reference will be generated wherever you are going to access this information. Now this class game manager is static, so all the variables which you declare here should be static as well. So I'm going to declare few variables here, public, static, and these variables should be declared as public because we will be accessing these variables in other C# scripts. That's why. So public static, and the name of this variable will be tossed fruits is equal to 0. So it is initialized with 0. So the initial value will be 0. And second variable which we are going to declare over here is public static int smashed fruits is equal to 0 as well. So these two variables we declare in this game manager class. And for a quick revision, so this game manager class is going to be static. Remove all the imports and remove the extend keyword, the mono behavior class from this script. Now in order to access this information globally anywhere in other script, we can simply give reference to this class name. So we can simply call it game manager dot the name of the variable. So I'll open this throw fruit script, and where we are instantiating, where we are creating the new fruit. So before creating the new fruit, we need to increment the value of tossed fruits here. So we need to increment this. So here in this throw fruits C# script, where we are calling this coroutine, before returning any value, here we need to increment the throw fruits variable. So remember, we can call this variable using the game manager reference. So we can call it here game manager dot, and you can see the list of available variables. So game manager dot tossed fruits plus plus. So this is how it is going to increment the value. Each time a new fruit is thrown in the air or tossed in the air, there will be an increment in the tossed fruits. So in order to display this value, we can display the debug.logs. We can use the debug.log statement, and we can display this value in the console also. Number of fruits tossed, comma, game manager dot tossed fruits. Use here the plus keyword as a concatenation instead of comma. So save it, save the script. Similarly, we need to increase the value of smashed fruits whenever we click on a fruit and we destroy that fruit. So we will go to destroy fruit script. Now here, when we are destroying this game object, after this statement we should increase the value of smashed fruits here. So we will follow the same pattern. We will use the game manager reference to this script dot smashed fruits plus plus. So there will be an increment of 1 every time. So we can also display this information in the console. Debug.log and number of fruits smashed will be equal to game manager dot smashed fruits. So this information will be logged in the console also. So if we save this script, open Unity, so I'm getting one error message if you see here. Okay, so let's check. Game manager does not contain a definition for smashed fruits. I think I've made some smashed fruits. So let me copy this, the same spelling actually. So paste it over here and paste it over here. So if we save it, well, let's just save our work. Hopefully this error will go away because everything is perfect here. So there is no issue with the code here. So let's head back to Unity and see. Yeah, the error goes away just simply saving our script. There was no change in the script at all. So I just saved the script again, and when I open the Unity, so it removed the error. So let's run this code and see. So if I smash, so far I just smashed 1. I'm very bad in playing these games actually. So I smashed few fruits. Let's check in the console what is the value here. If you can see, the number of smashed fruits are 4 and number of tossed fruits are 11 over here. We can see this. I can go back to show you the correct output. So I just toggle this button, maximize on play, so it should be minimized so that we can see the console input as well. By the way, you can see in the status bar also, status bar of the Unity, where all this information will be displayed. So if I run this again, you can see number of fruits tossed 1, number of fruits tossed 2, 3, and it's increasing. So if I smash any, smashed fruit is 1. So smashed fruits 2, so I smashed 3 fruits, and if we see the value here, smashed fruits 3 and number of fruits thrown 13, 14, and it's increasing. So our game is working fine. So what we will be doing in our next session, we will be displaying this information in our graphical user interface. So Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next video.